2, 1.
R.
Going to square.
Traps soon.
Dropping cell.
You can let the balls pop them.
Going to moon.
We want to get Rogi up.
Yep. Can you Hank or get him back up?
Yeah, I got him.
Diamond.
So that's the spike. Get close to them as quick as you can.
Ball's coming in.
I'm going to purple.
Traps incoming.
Traps. Getting
Pop
over to the
Raznal.
spikes. Hans, pop yours first.
One is getting popped by the spikes. I'm popping mine.
I pop mine.
I'm popping the
Going
next.
star
Oh,
when-
wait. You're going now.
stop. Ball's coming in. Dodge spikes.
If you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a spike.
I'm gonna be going to moon. I'm gonna be going to moon when we cross this.
Traps.
I don't have
Watch
any
where those.
traps.
Watch where the spikes are coming from when you drop your spikes. Your traps.
He's not going to drop any traps anymore till he phases.
Oh, sweet.
Good job,
Alright, good
guys.
job.
We got it. I'm
Okay,
done.
alright. I got
Ooh,
wind
let's
rush
go,
again.
let's
Just
go.
tell me when.
All right, just focus up. Keep it going.
When you feel the need, Brogy, it's your call.
Man, responsibility.
Left.
That's
Try
what
to
healer
drop
is
it
about.
on skull though.
Oh shit.
Oh! Good job. Man, well that was convenient. Didn't have to make a decision.
I'm sorry, I'm down.
Can we have a battle res or
Nope,
30
after
seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds? We'll be fine. We'll be after transitions.
Lusting as soon as he comes down, right?
Yes.
Wait for Musmafi to be back up. We can delay a few seconds.
Alright, don't blow your cooldowns. Lusting in about 17 seconds.
Got him.
Dropping stream.
Spikes coming in.
I'll res after the balls.
Get him
Perfect.
down, get him down, get him down quickly.
Let's go range.
I'm going to square.
Popping cooldown.
Low
Lost.
sting.
Alright, spikes are coming through.
My trap is popping now.
Personals here.
Okay, popping the
Get the
last
chain out,
trap.
please.
Darkness in the middle.
Spikes coming in. Balls coming in. Same side.
I'm going to diamond.
Yeah, revival.
Chain link.
Use
Get
all
this
your
fucker
cooldowns.
down. Use potions if you got him. Health potions
Watch
if you got him,
spikes.
please.
Watch
I'm dropped.
spikes.
Pop in this trap.
Hey, I'm sitting next to this one.
Pop
Going
it.
in. Popping
Popping
next.
next.
Fucker down. Let's go.
Star.
I
Going
got him, beef.
star.
I got him.
Spikes coming in. Balls coming in.
The
Same
ball, get
side.
the
Same
balls.
side.
Yep. Focus balls, please.
Get the balls, get the balls. Use immunity to go through if you don't have anything to pop them.
I'm about to go
Oh
down.
my god.
Go, 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 go. You got this, you got this.
I'm
Use
staying up purple. I'm
defensive.
staying up purple. I'm staying up purple.
Repositioning him back to skull.
Don't pop any of the trap. Just burn the boss. 100k, guys.
Oh,
I'm up,
Oh
I'm up,
my
I'm up, I'm up.
god.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I got
get
him.
him!
Come on,
Get
come on,
it.
come on.
Too close.
Not even close.
Close.
Let's fucking go.
Ah.
Also, can I just say I got res and immediately got downed again?
All
Really?
I'm gonna say is,
I
all I'm gonna
tried-
say is,
My
Bonesmith best soulbind.
Yeah.
No,
You're
yeah,
a
Oh
res.
yeah.
Shit, I hope you
Soulsmith
know
best
Oh, you
that.
need
soul line.
power.
The
Has
best
caused
thing-
so many clutch moments. Hey, Solus, Rez, what are you doing, man? Come on.
I saw
He needs runic
Soul,
power.
please.
I saw soul bodies just like spinning like 1 second after boss died.
Well, he was in Necrolord death, wasn't he?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, I still had my unwind. I still have my cheat death trinket too.
Oh,
yeah, but
hell
the
yeah.
moment you would have died, the boss would have reset.
Ah, true.
Holy shit, that was close.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we got him.
Let's go.
Also,
Got
yeah.
him.
From now on, I'm taking Windrush with me everywhere. That's